Is this merely a bounce in the market, or will it go higher? We're using candlestick analysis. One of the major candlestick patterns is what we call the scoop pattern, which usually has a flat handle and then a scoop type move. We're seeing this predominantly in the Dow right now, that has come back up through the T line, kind of failed today at the 50. But as you can see in the S&P 500, the flat handle, and today it kind of closed just above the 50-day moving average. Again, a scoop pattern, which tells us if they start trading this positive tomorrow, we've got a good probability that the scoop pattern will work, which usually is a slingshot effect to the upside. And further evidence of the bulls being in control is seeing kind of that little scoop pattern in the NASDAQ, following a big piercing signal off the 50-day moving average, and then little inverted hammer, bullish confirmation above the T-line. And then notice what they did today, where the resistance level was right up here. They gapped it up through that level, telling us that this is not acting as resistance anymore. So the probabilities look pretty strong that things are going to move higher from this point. Utilizing candlestick patterns puts an investor in the right place at the right time. Our recommendation on MRTX today was based upon this little slow curve. And notice where the slow curve ended up yesterday, above the 50, which was a resistance level. So coming out of that slow curve usually creates these massive moves to the upside. So this has two great effects for the stock trader, puts you in the right place at the right time, and for the option trader, you've got the ultimate entry levels, knowing that the probabilities are pretty strong that not only will you be in an uptrend, but a very strong uptrend. That same scenario occurred in our recommendation on LMCA and LMCK last week. You can see the slow curve, and then it breaks out. And this one had the added benefit of our little belt hold signal down here. Told us it had gotten rid of a lot of sellers out of the way that had been fighting here in this flat trading range, causing this next burst to the upside. Using candlestick analysis identifies what the Japanese rice traders have identified over the last 400 years is when there's been a dramatic change in investor sentiment. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.